higher thought development was the purpose of Brahmacharya Ashram. I am telling this so that our Mahima is on the Vedas. So one function, similarly Grahasthashram. Grahasthashram is 25-30 year project. That you are giving 25-year project, 30-year project. Whatever duties are there, you do it. Whatever enjoyment you want, you do it. Seva you have to do. And you are to do Shraddha, etc. You want to eat good food, you can eat good food. You want to watch film, you can go and watch film. You want to marry, you have married already. You can have children also. You can have enjoyment also. You can go out and go for, walk also. You can go for other country and see that. All kind of, but it is a time-bound project. It is a 30-year program is there. So during this time you should have matured enough to know that where I went for enjoyment, enjoyment was not there. And therefore you should promote yourself to Vanaprastha Ashram. So Grahastha Ashram was an institution. Institution is there where you go and you qualify yourself for higher. Now you tell me, this was made by Vedas. We know that I don't know, but we have lived that Vedas. So Vedas are the very source of our Hindu life. You touch the feet. Who told Vedas? Ramji lived it. Matra Deva Bhava. In other religion, touching the feet is not there. They will shake hand. Japanese will bow down like that. At the most they will hug. In other countries, when I go, so you know what, they give a hug to Swamiji, to small children. So that a small child will come and hug. Ho gaya. I went to Cape Town, one white person was there. He said, how to welcome Swamiji? How to welcome? Of that person who was there, the mission person, he said, Purna Kumbh. I said, leave him, he doesn't know all these things, wait. He said, Swamiji, I want to show respect, but how to express it? Kya bole hum? How to tell what is the meaning of that? It is a Vedas who says that tad vidhi pranipatena. If I see my teacher, I will offer my namaskar. Everywhere Vedas entered. Don't think it is, you may not see it, but you are living the Vedas. Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramaditavyam devakit pitrakaryaabhyam na pramaditavyam. Don't do pramad in Shraddha. Don't do pramad in children. All these things they went. Acha, Vedas were in Sanskrit, typical Sanskrit. Then you know what happened? Saints who were in touch with, they propagated in the world. Then Ramayana came. Ramayana is a picturization of the principle of the Vedas through the various characters. Gita came. Ramayana became very popular. Puranas became popular. Bhagavad became popular. It is the inaction of a certain laws. Not technically I am saying. So don't think this has come erratically. To bind the family, biggest person should be, if I express my respect to my father or mother or teacher, my respect increases and his love increases. He feels that I should protect him more. Ek Patni Vrat was there. अब देखो यहाँ भी वेद आ गया. And who established more? Bhagwan Ram. You know why? He saw his father. Bichare. Sita ji, when he left, he had to do yagna. Golden Sita ji he got made. Anyway, I hope you are clear. So don't think that. And it is maintaining of that Vedas that I am here and you are able to hear. Today I go anywhere, people don't expect I should earn. You know what they expect? Well, you sit, you do your sadhana. Some pravachan you please give me once a day. I'll take care of my food, shelter, medicines. Society takes care. Not one thing on my body I have purchased. But their expectation is my duty. And their expectation is you live a detached life, you live a life of purity, you live a life of meditation, you be engrossed in the study of scriptures, you give us guidance, you tell what Ramayana says, you please be for me to guide. Who did it? The Vedas said that. And all mantras, Gayatri mantra is there, Mahamrityunjay, all these mantras are there. And therefore, these Vedas are not just some word with which I have nothing to do, I need it, and you are using it. I hope this. Vedas have two parts. One is called Shasanatmak, other is called Shamsanatmak. The word Shastra, Tra word in Sanskrit means Trayate, that which protects. Like Gayatri. Gayatri means Gayanat Trayate iti Gayatri. That which protects when you chant. Tra, Putra. Putra means Pum nam narkatrayate iti putra. That which protects from one hell called Pum. After doing my Shraddha, etc. That is called Putra. Gotra. That which protects by telling about my original Rishi, that you are from that clan. Behave properly. Certain rules are there. So when the priest will do the puja, he will ask you, which Gotra is there? And if you have no Gotra, Gotra means who was the Rishi? Vishwamitra Rishi, Shandali Rishi. Only I don't know my Gotra. My growth is Michael. Look, it has to be Rishi, not Michael, etc. So then you have to say Kashyap Rishi. So Gotra is there. So by remembering, you remember you are from that. And you know earlier days, I'm talking about the Vedas are shakhas. So if you go to South India, they will say Abhivadaye. And in that they say the particular shakha of the Vedas, that particular family was in charge. Yajurved, Krishna shakha, Krishna Ved, then Apastamba shakha, then Pravar. So that Gotra was protecting certain portion of the Vedas. So this is called Shastra. Shastra means Shasanat Trayate. Who protects us by giving us rules. Hope it is little clear. I am giving a very gross background. Subtle I am not going right now because subject is not there. And second thing, same Vedas tell. Ved is not required where something is very seen. Ved will not tell about that there is a gravitational law. Ved will tell about that is not known by the senses. Atindriya vishyaha vedaha pramanam bhavati. So those topics which are not known by the senses, like the Swarga, heaven. Okay. Well, how is the heaven? You have to go there first. Well, no, I don't go. So that will be known by the Vedas. One father was there. He said, my daughter is getting married and she is, Laksh Gunaha, she had lakhs of qualities in her. In whichever house she will go, she will make that house Swarg and all the people Swargvasi. So that Vedas, they are the eyes. Dhyan dena. Therefore Vedas are called Pramana. In Hindi they say in Sanskrit also, is this a Vedvakya? Vedvakya means which cannot be refuted. You cannot cut it. This is a Pramana. I am just introducing to induce little interest. So if you are really interested, you can go and see what is very interesting Vedas are there. Suktas are there. Somewhere lot of earthquake was coming. Earthquake. I said, please read Prithvi Sukt. So there is one sukt called Prithvi Sukt. ये इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें हैं, you know, we are sitting on the treasure of gold, we don't know. Therefore, I don't feel like reading any magazine, etc. because it doesn't have any content. And then supposing my mind, good thoughts are not there, Shiv Sankalp Sukt is there. यज्जागृतो दूरमुदैति देवं तदुसुप्तस्य तथैवेति दूरंगमं ज्योतिषामपि ज्योतिरेकं तन्मे मनः शिवसंकल्पमस्तु. Sukt are there. हिरण्यगर्भ सूक्त is there. श्रद्धा सूक्त is there. हमको पता ही नहीं है. बोले my श्रद्धा is not too much. You chant श्रद्धा सूक्त. श्रद्धां प्रातर् हवामहे श्रद्धां मध्यं दिनं परि श्रद्धां सूर्यस्य निमृचि श्रद्धे श्रद्धया अपेहना. That is there. This 16 samskar which you say, Shodash samskar, all are in Vedas. And the first samskar is Garbhadan is the samskar. I am just putting this point because Shasanat Trayate. It protects. Only ye karo, agar ye nahi karoge, it will become a problem. Well, I am brother. Brother, you have to follow the rules. I am a husband. Husband rules are different. I will be as I want. No, you cannot be. You cannot be. Supposing I am there, then slowly you will be punished for that. The second is called Shansanat Trayate. Shamsan. Shansan means to establish what is the truth. What is the self? What is the meaning of Atma? So two meanings. Shasanat, Shansanat. Is it okay? Shansan, like Prashamsa. So Prakanshe Shansan. Shansan means to elaborate, to tell, to show. One is to make you do. Other is to show. In showing there is no doing. When I say this is a watch, I am not making you do anything. But when I say get a glass of water, I am asking you to do. So that is called Karma Kand, and this is called Gyan Kand. And in Gyan Kand portion is called Vedant or it is called Upanishad. And in Karma Kand portion comes Mantra Bhag, Brahmana Bhag and Aranyak Bhag. देखो हमको वेद के बारे में पता होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. So Vedas are Praman. They are not a book. They had been revealed. Achha, how do I know this Praman is right or wrong? One question I can ask. How do we know this Praman is right or wrong? Achha, these glasses are Praman, no? When you go to the eye test, you must have gone for the glasses. You have gone for the glasses. After 40, you should have glasses. So when you go for the glasses, he will put something like that. And he will put something here. He said, now read. So first line is very easy. W, T, L. I see. Second line read. So second line is okay. Z, V, N. Third line read. Very difficult. You do like that. M, T. Fourth line read. That you also can't read. That is too small. Now he'll put on glasses. That this is better or that is better. And he changes so fast, he doesn't give time also. Now this is better, that is better. No, both अच्छा सब है. नहीं, both are different lenses are. This is better, that is better. No, this is better. No, this is better, that is better. How do you know Praman is right? By operating the Praman, you will get the result. ध्यान देना हम क्या बोल रहे हैं. The proof of Praman is right. The result that you wanted from a Praman, you got it. I knew these glasses are better now because it is showing right thing. How do I know I did my duties was right? By doing that duties, you are more quieter and you are more acceptable to the world now. You got credibility from the world, love from the world, faith from the world, confidence inside. I understand my duty was right. I did the right duty. ये प्रमाण है. The knowledge whether praman is right or wrong, it is known after operation of the praman. Doctor is right or wrong? Doctor is a praman. Okay, take these medicines. You went to the doctor and he wrote something which you cannot read. Only how much money was there, very clearly it was written. Fees was the only legible point. Nothing is there. Only a pharmacist can read. One medical college, one student was restricted because his writing was legible. So, प्रमाण है, ठीक बोला इन्होंने. अब you took the medicine, बोले हाँ काम कर गए. You do the action and you don't do the action, praman is there. Why? Because that action should take you to quietness of mind. Duty is that performing which you get credibility, you get love, you get faith, you get more kind of promotion, you get security. And therefore, Valmiki Ramayana said, Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Rakshitaha dharmaha rakshati. Your life is very secure now. Internally, I am guiltless. Internally, I have confidence. Then I understand this duty was right. I did not perform. My name got spoiled. People ran away. Those who were very close, they went far away. Those who were loving, they left me. I am very guilty from inside also. I am not able to sleep properly. अब देखो, अब समझ में आएगा कि जो ड्यूटी हमने नहीं किया. It is law. It is doesn't matter you are American or Indian. Law as a husband will be husband. Law as a wife will be same. This is called Shasanat Trayate iti Shastra. Other is Shamsanat, because it is you can't make you cannot make out your dharma. Somebody should tell you. At least you should get it from a tradition. Second is Shamsanat. Shamsanat means what? This is the nature of Atma. Atma is Purna. What is Purna? In which there is no Desh Kal, Vastu Pariched. Acha, what is that Purna? Which is Sarvyapi, which is Nitya, which is Sarvagat, which is Chetan, which is Nirvikar. And which is निराकार. बोले कहीं सुना लग रहा है कहीं. I heard somewhere in some camp. अच्छा लगा. Somewhere I had heard. So this definition of Chetan, who gave this? Purnamadaha. देखा आपने? They are giving with the eyes. बोले ये पूर्ण है तो आप बोल रहे हैं. This is not made by any person. Therefore, it is very strict. When we study, anybody talks, we will immediately ask you where it is said. Because मैंने खुद ही बनाया, खुद ही ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Which is the place you are referring to? Therefore, Shankaracharya ji, everywhere, writes one line, Shastreshu Guru Vakyeshu Shraddha. Shraddha is in the Shastra and Guru Vakya also. And who is Guru? this is a Praman. Guru is a Praman operator. He operates the Praman in your mind. He will see that the thought goes in your mind. Whose thought? Veda's thought, not his thought. He will see that it goes in your mind and you understand it. Well, how do I know it was right? After listening about Atma, please contemplate and see the result that is mentioned. Do you get it or not? If you don't get it, then you say it is wrong. बोले हम नहीं मानते वेदा, नहीं मान तुम जानते क्या हो जिसको मानोगे? नहीं मानने के लिए पहले जानो तो किसको नहीं मान रहे हो तुम. जिसको तुम जाने नहीं उसको नहीं मान रहे हो तो दिस इज सुपरस्टिशन. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट व्हाट यू आर नॉट बिलीविंग इन. I have not seen you and I say I don't believe that person is right. First live with him, talk to him, then you conclude about him. Somebody said you do exercise, I said regularly. Which exercise? I jump to conclusions. I don't come to conclusion by logical inquiry. I hop to this conclusion, that is my exercise. ये तो गलत बात है भाई. So now you must be clear about Vedas. On Vedas only one yajna is required. One camp should be on Vedas only. Oh my God. Then we'll go one by one. This is the outer structure. Then what comes in the Vedas? Which kind of mantras are there? Which rishi is there? Oh. Well, this way I cannot go home. This way, if you keep on conducting such camps, no, many are in the Vanaprastha ashram. What is the problem? So now topic is of the Vedas. Please remember, Vedas are Praman. I am using this word because this is a very important word. Praman means right means of knowledge. And Vedas are Praman for two things, for the duties and for the nature of self. Because both are not known by the world. Atindriya vishyaha vedaha pramanam bhavati. So that topic which is beyond the senses, Vedas are the means of knowledge. Okay, understood. I hope you are clear up to this point. So Vedas have two portions. When we were hearing Purnamadaha, that was Shansan or Shasan? Shansan. And when we are hearing about Upasana, it was Shansan or Shasan? Shasan. Oh, I am understanding, I think. Oh, very good. So Vedas have both the parts. चलिए. Now the discussion here is different. About the inquiry is about Ved Pramanyam. What inquiry is there, I will tell you. You must have heard about Purmimamsa among the 9 schools of philosophy. You heard about Purmimamsa. And on that lines of Purmimamsa is famous Arya Samaj also. Arya Samaj. Have you heard about Arya Samaj? I don't know how much. In Maharashtra, Arya Samaj was there. Not there. Punjab side it was there. Delhi side. Huh? West Bengal. Acha. There was quite pervasive Arya Samaj. You know what they said? They said, I don't believe in the Shansan part of the Vedas. I believe in the Shasan part of the Vedas only. And that too, I don't believe in your devatas, etc. I don't believe in some personal God, therefore they will not give murti, etc. Murti puja they won't do. Those who are from Delhi or those who are from Punjab, you will know that. Okay. They are taking for Purmimamsa. Purmimamsa doesn't believe in some God. You know what they say? They say, if you drop the watch, it falls down. Well, yes. Well, how? Well, the gravitational law is there. Well, if I take a water, it will wet. Well, yes. How? Well, it's the nature of water. Well, if I take a fire, it will burn. How do you know? Well, it's the nature of fire. They say, when you do an action, it is the nature of action that it will give the fruit. Why you are bringing Ishwar there? They had put this point. And they say the nature, whole Vedas is only meant for Shasan and no Shansan. But it is written Satchidan Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Tattvamasi. There is a big portion of the Vedas which says that Atma's nature is this, Atma's nature is this. You have nothing to do. When I show you, see, this is a watch. You don't have to do anything. You can't say, अब क्या करें? हो गया, दिखा दिया ये. कुछ करना नहीं इसके बाद. So teacher is showing, Atma is Purna is this. You can't say, अब क्या करें? बस जान लो, बस उतना ही काफी है. They say this portion of the Vedas where there is no action involved, that is Arthavad. Exaggeration. Primary purpose of the Vedas is to make you do something. I hope you are understanding little. I thought I should skip, but second thought came, let us now continue, you will have more clarity. We have some time in our hand. We will again start. You will have more clarity on these points. So somebody said it is written now. There are Prashnopanishad, Chandogya Upanishad. There are 108 Upanishad which are seen, which is available in the market. I don't have. You don't need, don't worry. And all the Upanishad are not asking you to do anything. They are showing the nature of the self. Mundak, Mandukya, Kathopanishad you heard. Then Chandogya is there. Then Brihadaranyaka is there. Taittiriya is there. Jabali Upanishad is there. Shvetashvatar is there. Amrit Bindu Upanishad is there. All the Upanishad are not telling to do. But around 70-80% of the Vedas is on rituals, on karma-kand, on upasana. Okay. They say there which is said to do. And there is a very famous line, Amnayasya kriyarthatvat. That portion is the pramana, and other portion is not the pramana. It is there. It is exaggeration, it is not a pramana. Well, why do you say like that? Well, there is no applicability. Any knowledge is known, how much you can apply it. Why did computer science become popular? If you have done computer science engineering, you can apply it at so many places. You can get job in railways, in airport. But supposing you only study Sanskrit, supposing you are a Sanskrit PhD student, अब क्या करें महाराज? And तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई? Why don't you do this? कुछ जॉब ही नहीं देता. Then you search to become a teacher in some Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya. There also reservation is there. And now these people are saying unnecessarily I study Sanskrit. I was in Navi Mumbai before I came here. One person was there. So he was a priest. I said, how much you have studied? Well, I have done PhD in Yajurved. I am Sanskrit, I was studying. I said, what do you do? Well, I am priest in the temple. The society temple is there. I am priest there. I said, why? He said, no job I got. I said, you should have applied to become at least lecturer, you are a PhD. He said, no, they say first the reserve seat should be filled, then you will get a place. and there is nobody to teach Sanskrit of the reserved seat. Therefore, I was blocked. अब शादी हो गई, बच्चे हैं, कुछ तो कमाना ही है. So generally, after knowledge, we see applicability of that knowledge. And therefore, Jaimini said this particular sutra, Amnayasya Kriyarthatvat. Very popular line is there. If you love, you can write it. Amnayasya Kriyarthatvat. Every statement should take you to action. Only supposing it doesn't take you to the action, then Anarthakyam Atat Arthanam. If it doesn't take you to action, it is useless. It is useless. If somebody has medical knowledge, oh, you are doing medical, why? Now you feel good, why? Lot of applicability. Any doctor you see, everybody has some problem. Only night when I sleep, my stomach gets bloated. Doctor, okay, take this. आपको क्या problem है? बोले this side, pain is there. Somebody said pinch nerve. About applicability. So a knowledge is, and this knowledge gives you livelihood. You earn your money because of your knowledge. If you have no skill, there is called skilled labor and unskilled labor, then you cannot have any livelihood. And to this point, still Shankaracharya Bhagwan is not coming here. Wait, he is listening quietly. He said, you first talk, then I will talk. So Jaimini said that Karmakand portion of the Vedas, they are pramana. This portion of the Vedas, they are there, but they are not pramana because after knowing the knowledge, nothing you have to do. ये तो बोला कि भाई ऐसे हवन करो, हम करें जाके. And people who are very active, when they see sannyasis or when they see here, you are sitting, this they will say, बोले क्या है, क्या सुन रहे हो तुम? Whole day, what are you listening? कुछ करो. कितना सुनोगे? How much you will listen? क्या होता क्या है? Morning, evening, क्या मिलता है तुमको? मिलता है. क्या मिलता है? You will get money? No. Certificate? No. Then what you will get? अरे कुछ करो, कुछ दिखाओ. अच्छा, yoga course is very popular. If you want to make a camp popular, do yoga camp. Pranayam. Why? Bodily problems, it gets sorted out. Morning you get up. ठीक है. Then they say, okay, do Kapalbhati. So if Ramdev ji is taking camp, 1,000 people will come. And they are all. He is also doing from the stage. All are doing now. And from there he will say, for the problem of back problem, this asana is there. Those who have problem in the stomach, this asana is there. हजारों लोग हैं भैया. कुछ करके दिखाओ ना. यहाँ कर क्या रहे हो तुम? इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? हाँ, इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? जो आप कर रहे हैं उसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? ओहो हो. You have to hear all this. And when they see sannyasi sitting quietly, बोले क्यों बैठे क्यों हैं? They should do some work, some सिलाई कढ़ाई कुछ तो करें, कुछ करें. छोटे छोटे बच्चे उनको पढ़ाएं. What Tapon Maharaj did? You should have done some concrete work. कुछ हाँ, गुरुदेव ने इतना काम किया. तपोन जी, why didn't make anything? You had also made something. करे क्या वो? ऐसी सी बात कर देते. You have to keep your ears to the ground to hear what people say about you and about everybody else. We keep on hearing. This is what Jaimini said. Jaimini is from Purvamimamsa. बोले बात तो ठीक लग रही है. इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? अच्छा, नाउ दे से व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ वेदांत? यू नो व्हाट वेदांती विल से? आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू वेदांत, you discover you are not the doer. So who will apply? बोले he was okay before he heard. क्या हो गया इसको? पूर्ण मदाई जब है, when you know only one self is there, whole Vedant is meant on falsifying the doer. And you are asking for application. बोले कुछ करो. इन लोगों के मन में करने की बड़ी महिमा है. There is a lot of importance of doing. Vedanta says you should do. But doing is not for doing is for purification of heart. This Upanishad will show this. This is the nature of the self. After knowing it, you don't have to do anything. There are two kinds of knowledges. One knowledge which has an application, and one knowledge which has no, it's not that there is no one to apply after that. That knowledge alone is there. Right? I want to learn cooking. After learning, you have to cook. But supposing somebody is dreaming and somebody woke him, get up. After knowing that I am this, he did not do anything. There is nobody who does anything in the dream also. He may act to do. He may act as if he is a very good doer, but actually inside he knows that I am that self. Okay. Because he knows only one self is there. I hope you got this point. Now, a small point. Purvamamsa said, I will tell you why this portion is not a pramana. Which portion? Where nature of self has been described. We will see that in our next class. I hope you are understanding. It's a beautiful point. Therefore, Gita, you know what Gita said? Arurukshor muner yogam karma karanam uchyate. Yoga rudasya tasyaiva shama karanam uchyate. If you have a lot of vasanas, you have ambitions, please work a lot. Supposing your vasanas have quietened, you need a little, please slow down and contemplate more. Contemplate more. Dedicate more time for Shravanam. Shravanam, it is not that we are just listening. It is listening to ascertain what is right, what I am. In medical college, you have to study for 10 years, MBBS, then you have to do MD, then DM. Then you become some specialist. I am a nephrologist, I am a orthopedics. How? Just by listening. So it's because the ignorance is too deep, therefore listening is required. And why? Because sorrow is because of not knowing our real self. I feel I can be made sad. We don't know our problem. हम बहुत दुखी हैं आज. अच्छा, तुम दुखी हो सकते हो क्या? Vedant will come and say, you are not sad. This sad is an external personality than you. Don't come too close to the I am sad one. This is externalize that sadness. Don't internalize that sadness. Right? You are the seer of that sadness. तुमसे कुछ मतलब ही नहीं उस sadness से. How? Because you are the indivisible self. How? This I will tell you. But I sleep again. Therefore you need to listen again. How long should I listen? Till you stop sleeping. How long should I go to the doctor? Till your disease persists. You can't say, I will not go to the doctor. No, disease is still there. Still I get fever. I think you have to go for a general checkup again. Again, happiness comes. Again, you go to the Guru now. A time should come where you need not go. So listening is not for some entertainment, or this is just for pastime, or because I'm old, therefore I thought. It is urgently required. And if somebody is not adhikari for listening, and he comes, somebody told Gurudev, why you teach Upanishad so openly? You know what Gurudev said? Shruti will search her own student. People will leave. Then we will say, okay, you should do selfless actions. But if you are reveling and enjoying, that means your vasana is lesser and you are able to grasp the matter. So next class we will see one more portion, which Purvamimamsa says that one part of the Vedas are Praman, other is not that Praman. How? We will see it.